In today's video, I will show you how to install a snapshot for your Minecraft. So first, we need to go to the Minecraft launcher, and now here we need to find the snapshot we want to install. So we go to the installations, and now we click on the new installation. Here we need to go to the version, and as you can see right now, we have the different snapshots, and here we can install the latest snapshot. I will install the latest one. Here you can choose a name or something, but I will leave everything in default. And now we'll click here and install. And also you can check this option, I will do that. Okay, so as you can see in the bottom here, we are playing the snapshot. Also you can check by yourself by going to a new world. We can go to create a new world. And we'll be able to see all the new features. So here, as you can see, we have the new leaves and all the new features in this new snapshot. So that's everything for the video. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.